Here I have ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So firstly, let's turn device off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time like this, and hold them until you enter boot mode. So here at the boot mode you can use volume up to navigate and volume down to select, and you have such options as recovery mode, fast boot mode and normal boot. So if you want to quit this boot mode, select the last option, normal boot, and device will restart just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.